If you've been struggling with plantar fasciitis for months or even years, and you're starting to wonder if you'll ever get back to walking comfortably again, I want you to know something. You're not alone. I am Stephen Grinnell, a plantar fasciitis specialist, and for the past 14 years, I've helped just over 3,000 people recover from persistent heel pain and plantar fasciitis. Most people who come to me have already tried stretching, orthotics, different shoes, physiotherapy, podiatry, shockwave therapy, and just about every exercise they found online. Yet they're still waking up painful, first thing in the morning, taking those first steps. Why? Because most treatments focus on the painful foot. My experience has taught me that pain appears in the foot, but the foot is often only part of the story. The real recovery comes from improving how you stand, how you walk, and importantly, how you move, and how you progressively rebuild the body's ability to tolerate everyday life. That's exactly what you'll learn inside the Heal Your Pain recovery course. Over 12 weeks, I'll guide you step by step through the same rehabilitation system I've used with more than 3,000 people. You'll learn how to improve your standing, your mechanics, restore confident walking, rebuild foot function, and progress safely at your own pace. Importantly, this isn't about quick fixes or endless exercises. It's about understanding your body, taking consistent action, and importantly, building lasting confidence. Because the goal isn't simply less pain. The goal is walking comfortably, enjoying holidays, exercising again, keeping up with family, and getting your life back. If you're ready to stop guessing and start following a structured recovery plan, I'd love to help you. Click below to join Heal Your Pain recovery course, and let's take that next step together.